So they were back, and we've got a guest and smoking that chicken burger, but we're gonna get that one going.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I got everything started here. Come on. Start burning. Yeah, now that's
smoke here. Wow.
Okay.
Shouldn't be anybody there anyway. And there isn't.
Doesn't seem like they ate all of our stuff.
Wow. The good news or bad news?
I don't know.
So last time they had drank it all. Maybe we got enough flow going still, huh?
Yeah. Let's get everything off here. Okay. There.
A lot of propolis.
There sure is.
He's on the feeder board.
Well, it's looking pretty interesting over here. Take this.
Oh, frame's coming apart.
Get the stapler. Oh no. We'll try this one.
Okay. Oh, look at here. Loosen that. Get the J hook in here again. Okay, got it. Look at this. This is heavy. That's why the frame is falling apart.
Oh.
So they've taken a lot of our food and used it to build. There's honey here. Here. Show her a little.
So
last week that was just comb. We need more small stuff in here. Small stuff we need to get burning. Okay.
Now we need to figure out what this frame over here fell.
I got it now. I've got it. Grab from the center of the frame.
Right.
Well, there's a reason why, because it's full of honey.
Okay. Take it away and start fixing it.
Alright.
You take it away, I'm going to deal with what I have. Okay. Keep moving.
Move the frames first.
Yeah. The bees seem like they're pretty slow, which is as I'd expect.
And then we stapled them. The frame.
So yeah, not much going on here. I'm just gonna keep moving.
So you see how much? Look at how much juice is in there. Oh, yes.
More liquid, more food. Looking pretty good, as far as I'm concerned.
Oh, they built it. That's nice.
Okay, I kind of don't see much of it.
Look at this is capped too. About half of it.
Let's get the bees back in here.
Okay, which frame are we on? This one?
So I've already seen, and it appears to be like, once again, same problem here. These really aren't on sand, so there's not really, we are very
nothing there. Okay, okay.
This one may be something over here, but yeah, mostly empty.
We got some fresh comb.
Hide this. So we still got food, so that's good. Yep. I'm putting this back in. Okay. Got that in the air.
Alright. Which frame are we on? Or you're saying we're
they're empty. There is nothing.
Okay. Okay. Go in the corner. The corner is better. Right here.
I know it's a corner, but I don't want to ruin it. Possible that I might have to do it like this.
Yep. There you go. You got it. You got it. Oh my gosh.
It's heavy?
It's heavy. On one side. So our feeding is working.
Well, we sure got some bees here. Okay. You see the propolis gets kind of problematic because...
Okay. This frame's not so heavy.
Not so heavy.
It's got some capped.
Got some cap, got some eggs.
Do you see eggs?
Yes, I see eggs.
Good.
I see eggs. I see eggs over here. I see eggs over there. Seems like they're doing what they need to do.
Got weird looking comb here. And we got broken frame too. Careful.
Oh! No, this one's heavy. This one's heavy. Okay.
We can't staple that one.
Yeah, do that. Oh my. There's more stuff. More bees. More food. More of everything.
There.
Oh my.
Okay.
I can barely hold it. Everything. More of everything. Great.
This frame is loose.
It's a little bit broke. Only for 3 pieces.
Boy. This frame is really stuck too. They got wax in between. They got the...
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's pull this frame.
Way to get the smoke really started here.
Alright, we gotta make this kind of fast because they're not happy about being out with this kind of cloudiness.
They don't like the temperature, they don't like the heat.
And they don't like the
Smoke.
rain, the clouds.
More food.
You see brood?
There is some brood. More food, more brood. See a lot more food.
Okay.
That's good. That's what we need. Okay. So keep moving.
Some of it's
More brood.
capped.
Lot more brood. Lot more food.
Go ahead, drop that frame in.
Okay.
That one's loose.
Savvy. All food. Our feeding is paying off. And oh, eggs. So many eggs. Tiny little eggs.
Fresh eggs?
Yes.
Okay.
It seems like the colony's also growing into the side of the box now.
We got a queen cup here.
There it's empty. More food over here.
So
Activity's dying down.
This is what we were talking about. This is where they were starting to build a queen cell. They will always do that, and then they open it up if they decide, oh no, I guess we're okay. Because there's always the chance that the queen's gonna die. Okay, go ahead.
These are getting out.
Okay, this is the frame that they're obviously working on right now. Look at the nectar in it, fresh comb.
Fresh comb and more nectar. I don't think that it's worth, moving it any further, realistically.
Okay. Okay, so that's pretty much it.
Yes, it is pretty much it. We need to now get everything closed up.
Is this the end frame or is this the second frame?
This is the end frame.
Okay.
Use the thing that they've got.
Ooh, careful, careful. I want to get some of these bees off it. Okay. Do we got room?
Yes.
Okay.
Looks like. I don't think that we really need to add much of any food or anything.
Well, we'll top it up. Might as well, because now it's going to get cold.
Heat it up a little. Yep. Right away, we have some propolis on the corner here, which we scraped off. This is a little piece of propolis.
So I'd say we probably don't need the pollen patty.
I would say so too.
Okay, let's temporarily put the cover on here.
Yeah, okay.
And we'll get the rest. We'll top up the fuel, the food.
Yep, I'll keep the smoker on. And
Okay.
yep. And first off, I think that we can, re-pour some, just pour from one guy because he has it. So you don't have to.
The other thing
carry.
is, I want to smell this. If it's not, we don't want it fermented.
Yeah,
We don't want booze.
Yeah. We do not want, rotten stuff. The bees, probably. Yep.
It doesn't smell fermented. All right. Back.
Yeah. No need. Let's big stick in there. So, as well, the bees right now are entering the hive because many of them flew out, and now they need to get back in the hive. And also, we noticed that most of them were on the bottom part of the floor. They were on the first deep, the bottom one, because, well, it is much more there's a bigger need for them to be down there because they have brood, and to keep the brood warm, the bees heat themselves up by essentially rubbing their wings against each other, creating heat, because the brood requires a lot of heat. It requires, up in the 90s of Fahrenheit, somewhere up there. Pretty warm for all of the bees out there. That's pretty hot. And as well, other than just that, they're preparing for winter because they were once again not in the upper part of the hive, which means that they're preparing for winter they are worried more about the brood. As about bees flying out and gathering food, it appears to me that they still have pollen. I still don't think that feeding is required. I don't think that we need to feed them. Right now, anyway. At least that's my opinion. Okay, so we're gonna put the food, and by feed them I mean, give them pollen patty, because they still have everything. They still have pollen. I don't think that they need any pollen patty.
No, I didn't think so either.
Okay. Taking this off. Now let's take this thing out.
Okay, good. Nobody there right now.
That is true. And I'll keep it all smoked up here so that nobody decides to go up here.
So you don't ever want to have this accessible to like other bees, because then they try to get in the hive.
And they will rob. They will go and they will steal food from the
especially now we have honey stores.
Well, yeah, that's about it. So, anyway, this is mostly the end of the video, and personally, my review of the hive is, it looks pretty good. It looks better than it did before. We needed feeding of liquid. We needed to give them food. And if you have a similar situation with, you know, if your hive doesn't have enough, you know, honey, you have to feed them. Or else, especially if you're in the north, you know, if you're far up north, you have to feed them. It is required that you feed them. But so anyway, stand, like, subscribe, write a comment. Bye.